Magnolia. It's time for Sound of the Week again. I have a quiet cat here to help me. Let's sing the Sound of the Week song together to start. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Sound of the Week. 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 So, I have a quiet cat here to talk about Sound of the Week. Uh-oh, watch out. She's going to be a quick cat now. Ready? So quick. Our Sound of the Week is qua. I hear qua in quick and quiet, and I hear qua in quilt and quarter. What do you hear qua in? So many things I can't wait to see. I'm going to trace qua. Ready? It's made up of two regular sandpaper letters, right? And this is qua. Watch. Qua. 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 Let's get out our invisible pencils. Are you ready? Let's make a medium-sized one to start this time. I'm gonna make an itty-bitty baby one. Big. Are you ready? Let's look in the basket and see what you brought for Sound of the Week this week.